Hello gang, Colin here, Festa67's workshop, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. You'll find all kinds of different builds going on the channel. There's categories all along the bottom there that you can see of all the different sections of the channel. I also do a lot of live streaming, so if you click the bell so that you get all notifications, hit that old subscribe button for me, much appreciated. Hopefully you'll find something in there that you enjoy watching. Remember folks, you can also join this channel as well if you so choose. There's a little join button just on the bottom there, so you can click on that and see what you fancy, and you can also support me on Patreon if you choose to do so. It's totally optional, but in the meantime, I hope you enjoy your journey. Thank you for keeping me company, and I look forward to interacting with you on the live chats. Bye bye for now.